Hello guys, it's me, the Carlos Gutierrez guy, and today I know that having a 3DS with custom firmware is pretty cool, but this is kind of unfair. Well, it's an error glitch. So now just install these by using custom firmware. I press unwrap. It won't unwrap. To fix that solution, hit the power button on your 3DS. Power it off. Then power it back on. It would be nice if Nintendo put like a reset it option. I don't know why did that happen. Let's try it. Now, let's try it now. Oh, get another game. Okay, there we go. Let's see if that happens. The other one. Okay. Oh. So that's how to fix it. Like and subscribe.